Hi, I'm Brett. Today I got a really good info video on the Club Spec Evo 4. So for those of you who may be as old as me or have remembered this particular model car, it was sort of the end of the production run sold by Subaru, which in those days was quite common for them to call it Club Spec Evo 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on, when they got to the end of the model year to make some limited edition modifications, trim and things like that, but not mechanical performance mods. And this particular car was a common colour of that model. So whilst we are talking in the background, we're just taking the car off the dyno, and I wanted to show you just from a Dyno Graph point of view, if you get one of these cars that's in reasonably good condition from a mechanical point of view, how amazing the days were 20 years ago that you get some really good healthy upgrades with good engine reliability, because the engines in those days were just so detuned. And just check out this Dyno Graph and you can see as we drop it in now, and I'll look at it as I'm talking to you. Original factory standard torque on this particular model car, say on the left hand graph in light blue, is 230 Newton meters measured at the wheels. This car now has got, you know, peaks at 330 Newton meters, a thumping increase in torque, which makes a car substantially bigger and better in every way. But you'll also notice when you look at the dark blue graph, how it actually is not laggy or comes up on any lag or any later in performance. So if you look at, say, 3,600 RPM at the bottom of the graph and look up vertically, you'll see where the line intersects, and you can see how the new VF series turbo that we've fitted to this car can pump more boost, deliver more torque, but at the same time deliver the same amount of throttle response as the original old factory TD04. And that's just a good example of where technology has come from. And of course, from a tuning power point of view, the green line, which you can see and on the graph, 125 kilowatts at say 5,600 RPM, now tops out at like 180, which is a green line on the right hand side of the green. This is measured at the wheels, is another good example of what you can get out of these engines from a performance improvement point of view. So let's just touch on the topic of what you're probably really keen to know, of what's been fitted to this particular car. Clients only owned it for a couple of months, come in and spoken to us about a package of parts which effectively is more than our XC kit, and we diagnosed that the air intake to the turbo was soft and malleable, needed to be replaced, so we could put good quality silicon intake pipe to the turbo, which you'll notice fits really well to the factory located airflow meter housing here with a factory standard airbox. Remember, we don't have to run a modified pod filter for this type of stuff. We've replaced it with a VF series turbo that fits into his original Process West Topman intercooler, which was on the car when he bought it. And also we have then fitted the GFB fully adjustable blow-off valve, so he can make it a little bit loud or a little bit quiet depending on what he wants. And some other modifications which you can't see is in the tank is a 500 horsepower fuel pump to deliver enough fuel when the car's on peak power and peak boost. And to bundle it all together, we've then done a custom tune with Racerom technology, tuning the factory ECU. So again, I keep harping on it. There are still workshops out there that tell people that you can't tune the My99 or the 2000 model factory ECU. You don't have to send it away. You don't have to get it electrically modified with chips and wiring modifications. We don't even touch the factory ECU. We just plug into the factory original harness and using a laptop, custom tune, and this car's been on the dyno, and this is the output that you can see, which we've shown you on the Dyno Graph. So bottom line is, if you're looking for a really good value for money car with good healthy improvements, bit of a wolf in sheep's clothing, then the old model GF and GC8 series WRXs and the STIs are fantastic value from a performance upgrade point of view. So check out mrttuned.com.au. We'll update the power kit document on that website for more information, because this car is a fantastic example of that. Just remember, always check your airflow meter sensor. You notice this one's got a nice green dot on it and nice legible white writing. That tells you that it's in reasonably new or brand new condition. This is the lifeblood of the reliability of this engine, to make sure you've got good reliable signal going to the factory ECU to measure the air going into the engine. And check out our other video where we talk about that as well, and other NOx sensors and good quality servicing on your car. But for now, my name is Brett Middleton. No matter where you are in the world, remember, if you need this car custom tuned and you're in Australia, contact us and we'll put you in touch with one of our partners through the workshop network around Australia. You can rely on our peace of mind and reliability of getting a custom tune done on your car where you live, using the quality of parts that we've come to guarantee. And this car here is a good reflection of over 20 years of custom tuning. And I can remember when this first car was delivered and model was delivered and tuned in my old workshop many years ago, and everybody just couldn't believe what could be done with a factory ECU. And again, this is testament to that proven technology and reliability. But for now, my name is Brett Middleton. Follow us on Facebook, YouTube, Twitter and Instagram, no matter where you are in the world. I do hope this video has helped you. Bye for now.